In every lecture, in whatever you read, whatever you listen, there are things which are important, things which are not important. So what will you take down according to you? Okay, now what are the elements in note taking? What will you keep in mind when you are taking notes?
Not everything should be written, only main points are included. Second, consisting of keywords or short sentences or adding to other reference.
Yes. So the key to writing skill is effective note taking. The practical uses of note taking are as follows. So there are some 4 bulleted points which you may note down. A good note taking technique leads to accurate essays or drafts. It is done to keep record, to enable revision for exams, to help remember the main points, or to remember the instructions. एवरीबडी नोज व्हाट इज नोट टेकिंग, सबको पता है, लेकिन कैसे उसको कंपाइल करना है, नॉलेज को कैसे बताना है, दिस यू हैव टू लर्न. दैट इज वाई a simple thing like note taking also has to be dealt technically. So can you all discuss these 4 points? Yes, someone discuss the 4 points. Paraphrase these 4 points. Someone read. Are you writing down? This is the process of note taking: listening, reading, and selecting. Make a box: listening or reading, note taking, and selecting. Then writing and or speaking. The next question is what are the strategies of note taking?
Use dashes for words when speakers go too fast. Leave spaces for some words. It's not using. Use symbols.
Yes. Abbreviations and acronyms. What is an acronym and what is the abbreviation? Now there are four types of note taking, four types of note taking. The first is the outline style. Outline means when you put down all the points, what we have to study. For example, when you make a painting, first you sketch the outline according to your paper, according to the size of your canvas. You make an outline, then you use the brush. So outlining style is you note down the main points which is to be dealt. Read.
Second is right. First outline style.
First outline style. Outlines work particularly well when the material being presented is well organized, and when the information moves from main ideas to support detail. In an outline style of note taking, each point being recorded is separately numbered or lettered.
So whatever point you are discussing, which is being delivered, you maintain a numbering style, or it can be bulleted or it can be numbered, so that it covers the entire. Your point should cover, none of the points which should be missed, whatever is being delivered in the lecture. Next.
Second point, phrase style. When the manner in which the lecture is presented approaches a situation, much like storytelling, jotting down phrases may be the best technique for note taking.
So you may not write down the entire thing, but you will just include the phrases so that you will understand later on what it is all about.
And what is the meaning of jotting?
Writing down.
Third, vocabulary style. Many courses, particularly at the introductory level, deal exclusively with the development of new vocabulary. As you take notes, one of your main objectives is to list the new vocabulary items and to spell them correctly. Although you may just list the words and definitions in your notes, these terms will have to be integrated with textbook notes and other materials. You need to have these definitions handy so you can formulate questions about concepts involving these words.
Alright. Whatever words which you do not know, the vocabulary which you do not know, you note that down, and you note the reference, like when it was used, for what it was used, so that you can remember when you are making a final report.
Fourth point, drawing graph and problem style. In many of your notes will be essentially non-verbal. Some obvious examples include diagrams, mathematical formulas,
It means you're
problems.
not writing down any words, but you are making a diagram, or you're making a chart or a graph, whatever. Where words are not used, only non-verbal messages are put down. Or you can make a question, just anything, not verbal. Where you do not use words, but use symbols and all that. Rather, it is pictorial. Read.
Mathematical formulas, problems, drawings, and all sorts of charts and graphs. These pictorial representations are most important because they condense and summarize information that is difficult to write out.
Yeah. Like visual interpretation, instead of writing down sentences, you draw pictures. It should be easy for you. Anyway, whatever is easy for you to learn and understand for the future is a proper note taking. Assignments. What is note taking? What is the importance of notes? Now you answer the questions. You know, we've discussed every detail about it. Somebody please answer. From the next class, bring your books to class. All these assignments are there in your book. Answer. Come on, the screen is there for you. Assignment. Yes. What are the importance of notes?
It is important.
Somebody else please answer. बस वही आंसर कर रहा है, बाकी लोग क्यों कर रहे हैं आंसर कर रहे हैं? पढ़ाया सब कुछ आ रहा है तो बस एक बच्चा आंसर कर रहा है. I mean, just we have recapped, we have revised. What is the importance? Tell me.
Taking is provide clarity. It's also provided question comparison between relevant and irrelevant information.
I want all the answers in your assignment copy. Third, what do you mean by keywords in the context? Hmm?
Keywords are the main points we have to show.
बाकी लोग इतना confused क्यों? Key words मतलब होते हैं important points. What are you so confused about? Keywords are the important points. What are the basic things to be taken care of while taking notes? And what do you understand by important and non-important facts in the context of note taking? It is such a small, short lesson. So you need to do all the questions. This is the same question. The importance of what is note taking and what is notes is the same thing. So there are 4 questions in this lesson. Do these questions. All right. In your holidays, do this.